Let's pick a thumbnail template and go over to our apps here in Canva. You can search in the search bar Typecraft, or you can just see it down here. We click on that and open the Typecraft. If you look at the left, you will see we'll type in our text, wavy text. We'll change the font to what we want it to be, and we'll start dragging the dots around the text so that we can create our coffee text how we want it to look. You just put your cursor on each of the points and play around it so what you want your text to look like. Each point you drag will lead to something. Let's change our text color to black, and we will leave the text style as it is to none. We'll add that to our design. We'll spread it out and make a duplicate of the text, and go back into Typecraft and change the color of this text to yellow. We'll update our element again and duplicate the updated element, and go back into Typecraft and change the color to blue, and click on update element, which will update the color to blue. We'll highlight everything and we'll go over to position and position it to the middle and to the center. We'll drag it and drop it at the center of the page, and go over to layers and drag the blue text up, followed by the yellow, then the black behind. Then we'll drag each of the edges so that the black text is smaller than that of the yellow and the blue is the bigger in size. This is how we create the 3D effect on the text. Try it and let me know what you think in the comment section. Yeah, we'll group that together and position it to the center and to the middle. Here you have your 3D text. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. So have a good one.